Hello, Darden students. My name is Nick Skrilloff. I'm one of the primary developers on the registrar system, and I'm here today to let you know that we've been working with many of the Darden students to create a better experience for you when you sign up for your full year of courses next year. And so one of the things I want to say is that we started in an old world where we had just an Excel spreadsheet, and we have slowly but surely created minimal viable product to allow you to do this. So the two things I would keep in mind as you're going through this is, one, not all of the bid stats are in the inline tool. You might have to look at the Excel file. And secondly, matching on time has been a big deal before. And that's all I want to say, and I'll turn it over to my friend, Winfred Hills.
Hi, I'm Winfred Hills. I'm the current VP of Technology for the DSA. Just want to add that, the supported browsers available are Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Edge. And then we'll jump right into the tool. So here, this is the main page of the course planning tool. We're going to just jump right in and add a course. So when you look here, it's a lot of information you may be looking at here, but we can jump right in and kind of look at the top here, and this operates a lot like Excel. So let's start by, say we're trying to figure out what we're going to take for Q1. So we can come here to term. You see all the different quarters. We can filter for Q1. All right. So look here and we see taxation management decisions. Okay, we want to take that class. We can, you see it's at 10 o'clock. So we click here. So we can click it. And boom, we get the average bids and the historical bids for that particular time by that particular class. So here. Then we can look here once we click out of this view, and we can see that we can bid here in this box, or we can, and as we place the bid, we have this option here, as Nick was mentioning earlier, to move to add as alternate any section. As we can see here, in this row, our section row, we have A and B, multiple sections. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put in a bid. So based on the historical bid that we see here.
Quick question, Winfred. Is there evaluation information there?
Oh, yeah. How can I miss that? Once we do this here, we can also click again and see evaluation information for that course. So you can look here and get a little bit more intel on what course you're looking at there. Okay, so say we definitely want this class. We're going to go ahead and select this option here, any section. We're going to, based on historical data bid, we can go and put in 210 points. So we do that, and we're going to place that bid.
Okay, so successful down here.
Oh, yeah. And we can see here, this message right here says that it's been processed successfully. All right, so we go here, and we want to look at this other course here, maybe financial statement analysis and corporate valuation. So we can click here. We can actually click the title and see a little bit more about that class. But we're not sure we want to actually make the bid. So how about we just add it to the cart right now?
That makes sense, yep. And, so that one's at 10 o'clock. Maybe I'm interested in this 8 o'clock, too. Why don't you throw that in the cart?
Okay. There's this management planning here.
Mm-hmm.
Throw that in the cart as well.
Now, what's this calendar? How does that work?
Okay, yeah, so that's a great question you asked. So if we just click the calendar view, we can actually see here all the classes that we selected. And
for our cart, right.
Yeah. So we can see in green the ones in the cart, and then in blue the ones, that's the taxation class that we actually bidded on.
Yep. Okay,
here, and then also you can see at the top enrolled and waitlist options as well.
Those come later after the bid's been resolved.
Yeah,
right.
Exactly. So we see all those different things here. And then we can click over here to My Bids and Courses, and you'll see the actual bids that you've already made right here. Right. And this is kind of like the old view that you're used to seeing.
Thank you.
And you can see once that time comes when the courses have been actually enrolled, you'll see enrolled courses and waitlist courses.
Yep.
All right?
Thank you.
So we can navigate back to the course planning tool here. And boom, we're back to the beginning, starting fresh with the courses we added and ready to add more courses.